So what do you like and hate about Hyderabad? What is the one thing that you like and also hate about Hyderabad?
I love the biryani and I hate the traffic. We tried the worst biryani, so I didn't like the biryani here, but I like the city overall. But like, we are too quick to judge. We just had like 2 days, so we can't really say an answer to this.
Yeah, same as she said. It's too quick to judge, but we were here for something related to office and we met some Telugu people. They were so kind. So yeah, I love the people here. It's good.
What do you like about Hyderabad and also what you don't like about Hyderabad? One thing you can say.
Hyderabad is a great city to live in. I mean, this is my hometown. I'll obviously love it for that. And the cost of living is very good, not as expensive as Bangalore. And I like metro. I can go from Gachibowli to LV Nagar like 1 hour. And yeah.
What do you hate about Hyderabad?
Hate about Hyderabad? The real estate is being like expensive. I'm trying to get some property, but I don't think I can anytime soon. That's all.
I don't like Hyderabad actually, but yeah, I prefer living in Hyderabad
Okay. So
compared to Bangalore because of traffic
that you
and
like
whatnot.
about Hyderabad?
Something I like about it's near to my like I have many relatives here and many friends.
Okay, what is it, the one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what you don't like about Hyderabad?
I like people here. They are like yourself. And I don't like about Hyderabad. Nowadays there are a lot of traffic and things are getting expensive also. Like compared to Bangalore, we thought Hyderabad would be lesser, but it's not.
Makes sense.
Yeah, true actually. So I think I tried the biryani here. So biryani was really good. Shagos was nice. I'm yet to try Nawab's though. So let's see. I think food is pretty good and interesting. And what I don't like is, like she said, like traffic and cost of living is really high because I'm from Kolkata. So I thought that maybe it's a little bit cheaper compared to Bangalore, but it's almost at par. And we had a hard time looking for flats. So,
Things have changed over the years and even the real estate is going really high in Hyderabad. What do you like about Hyderabad and what is the one thing that you don't like about Hyderabad?
I love shawarma. Yeah. And obviously traffic.
You hate traffic? Yes. Okay. What do you like about Hyderabad and what you don't like about Hyderabad?
Traffic I don't like. I like about Hyderabad because my friends stay here.
Okay.
I like hanging out with them. So I like Hyderabad. That's why. Yeah.
What is it that one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what is that one thing you don't like about Hyderabad?
Nowadays I don't like it about the traffic. Traffic and the huge rain nowadays. And I like about the it's like everything because I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad. So it's good climate and everything. I like night rides, so I'm doing night shifts, so I'm okay roaming around night. If at all, no more food courts. Like I see nowadays, there is no food courts in the night, so I don't like that. But apart from that, I'm happy here.
What is it one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what is the one thing that you don't like about Hyderabad?
As of now, first time I've been to Hyderabad and it's just 2 weeks. So the best part what I liked about Hyderabad is, though it's in south, but the people here are very friendly. I have been to Bangalore for around 2 to 3 years, but the people here is very much friendly and they are very cooperative. Only one thing which I don't like about Hyderabad is I have not explored that much, so it's not applicable for me.
Thank you so much.